guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by today. My name is Gigi. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because girl, you do not want to be missed out. Subscribe and join the family. So as you guys can see here, I just jumped right into the video. So what we're gonna do here is showing you my daily cleaning routine, what I do in my day after my kids go to school. So after the kids go to school, I went in and put the regular clothes on, brush my teeth, wash my face, and then sometimes I do my bed. But this morning I wanted to get to the cleaning outside because I know I was gonna do this video, so I kind of skipped the bed this morning. To be honest, I just felt like I just didn't want to do it, so I didn't do it. But if you're an oldie here, you know I like to throw my garbage away before I start cleaning, so that way it feels like I'm halfway there. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go wash the dishes and get those out of the way. So basically I start with the worst things. I know some people like to start with wiping things down instead of washing the dishes, and they do that last. But as for me, I like to start with throwing my garbage away, wash my dishes, then I know that I'm halfway done. If someone say I'm stopping by, I know the ugly part of the cleaning is already done. So if you are looking for a structure to clean, there it is. This is an idea that you start with the worst part of the house, then you work your way up.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy, yeah, falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy, oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love.
I wanted to show you guys these mugs. Oh my god, they were so cute. My best friend sent them to me for Christmas. Well, me and my husband, but they both look so cute, and I don't think my husband was drinking any of them. But if you have me on Instagram, you know I posted that when I was having my tea. They are so cute. They came with 2 spoons, and one is blue, one is red. Oh my god, I just love these mugs. And I'm looking for it because I want more more of it so I can when I'm doing my chocolate bar next year, well, this year for Christmas, so I can add those to my hot cocoa bar. But anyways, you see me cleaning out the sink, trying to refill my dishwashing soap. So I do that on a daily basis because when we wash dishes by hand, we use it a lot. So I make sure that we have on there, especially nowadays we're teaching the kids how to wash their own plates and stuff. So I like to wash them, and this container right here I like to wash it too because we use the brush all the time and dip it in there. So I like to refill it and make sure they have clean soap in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub, and I'll be dispensing my sponge today because it's been, I think it's been like 2-3 weeks since we had it, and when you keep using them, they collect bacteria. So you have to make sure that you keep changing them from time to time.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Alright, so you can keep your living room looking refreshed at all times when you fluff up your pillow. And fluffing up your pillow actually help by not leaving it to be so flat all the times. And it might even stay like that, and you might not even be able to fluff them up anymore after you sit on them for so many months and you're not fluffing them. So it's much better if you fluff them daily. That way they always look so fresh and plush.
I never should have let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. should've known. Just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you.
Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly make some spaghetti because I looked at the time and it's almost 2 and the kids get out of school at 3, so I wanted to make some spaghetti. When they get home they can find something to eat, and my husband can also eat lunch and we can eat lunch too, so I'm gonna make spaghetti for lunch basically.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different.
So while the hot dog is frying, I'm gonna be folding these blankets and put them away because I was washing blankets and towels in the laundry, so I wanted to put them away while I wait and wash some colored towels so the kids can find towels to go to the pool and go and use on the daily basis. So I like to do those things during the week because you don't know how many towels we use in this house. So back to cooking, I'm gonna put some tomato paste in there to give it some color and add some water, and then I'm gonna put the spaghetti once it's boiled.
Baby, take me back to you. You're blind.
Alright, so while the spaghetti is finishing cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping down everything. That way when the spaghetti is ready, the house still stay fresh.
Over you, just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
Alright, so I washed this thing in my hand to put the cookies. I know it's kind of extra, but it's easier for the kids to get it anyways, and I can just throw the plastic away. I can just, I'll just look for any reason to decorate. So this is what I did here. I'm gonna put that on the island with the flower and the candle, so that way my island can look cute. Okay, who doesn't like cute stuff?
Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back,
you so very much for being here today. And if you are still here, give me a like and leave me a crown in the comment below so I know who my real ones are. And thank you so very much, like I said, for stopping by. And this house looks so refreshed. Once that is done, I can just go fold those towels I was washing and just relax for the rest of the day. So I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.